Draw a rectangle. Label the lengths of the sides. Enlarge it so that the ratio of sides to your new rectangle to the original one is 5/2. What are the new dimensions? So going back to the directions, they're saying draw a rectangle, but they're not really giving us what kind, like in terms of how long and how wide. So basically you are free to draw anything. However, you're going to, after you draw your own rectangle, label them, and then our job is to enlarge it. But not only to enlarge it, but the ratio is given of the sides to be 5/2. So this is very important. So what we draw is going to be our original, and then what we make will be the enlarged. So I went ahead and copied the words that they're saying so I could show you what does that really mean, the ratio, right? So I wrote ratio of sides of new to original. So the ratio is the comparison, and the first thing they said is new to original. And new to original is 5/2. Now what is the decimal value of 5/2? That's one way we could start thinking about it. And they did say it's enlarged, so it's definitely bigger than 1. So pause the video and change it to a decimal if you'd like, or you can keep it as a fraction, but it's definitely bigger than 1. So the decimal of 5/2 is the same as, 5/2 is the same as 2.5. So we're saying the new one, the one that's what they started, should be 2.5 larger than the original. So whatever you draw, so if I drew 2 for the original, so this is 1, 2, so original for the length, then the new one has to be 2.5 larger in ratios. We have to multiply. So if I go, well, what is 2.5 times 2? So that's the enlargement ratio. So that's gonna give me 5. So if I drew here 2, the new one has to be 5. And then you will do the same thing for the other one. If you drew 3, then you're gonna multiply 2.5 times 3. So do your calculation and draw it. So finish this problem on your own. Remember, they do want you to draw it.